Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to talking about like how to cancel Lego order. So my dear friends, there is only two methods by which you can cancel your order. You can see there is an official note about the order cancellation and all. So they have mentioned like if the order is in their warehouse, then you can cancel your order on the, you can say, order status page. You need to log in into your account and you need to go to on your status page, order status page, and over there you can see the cancellation order cancellation button. You need to cancel your order by using this way. Okay, if the order cancellation is not you can say not available, it means the order is not in their warehouse. They have processed your order and now you can cancel your order via customer support team. You need to contact with the customer support team. So you need to dial these numbers you can see on your screen. These are the numbers. So as you can see over here, these are the numbers. Like now you can see the number is visible. Hope the number is visible right now. So you need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your order, and they will guide you each and every information. If the order is eligible, then they can cancel your order. If the order is not eligible, they will guide you each and every step by which you can get your money back. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your order. If you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.